तो दिल्ली की गर्मी से परेशान होके हम निकले फॉर मुक्तेश्वर 4 से 5 दिनों के लिए. आई लेफ्ट विथ माई पेरेंट्स एंड माई क्यूट लिटिल डॉटर एंड दिस वॉज अ लॉन्ग ओवर ड्यू ट्रिप. बहुत दिनों से प्लान चल रहा था बट फाइनली थिंग्स मटेरियलाइज्ड एंड वी कुड लीव. So we left on 26th of June for Mukteshwar and we took Shatabdi Express 6:20 AM का ट्रेन एंड बहुत ही मस्ती करते हुए हमारा 6 आवर्स का जर्नी निकला. द ट्रेन वॉज बिल्कुल ऑन टाइम, स्पॉट ऑन. निकलते टाइम भी एंड इवन वाइल रीचिंग वी वर एग्जैक्टली ऑन टाइम एंड इट वॉज़ अ वेरी प्लेजेंट जर्नी. कोई इश्यूज़ नहीं. इट वॉज़ रियली नाइस. Also, when we started approaching Uttarakhand, the scenery got so beautiful when we passed all those beautiful villages, and it was also raining a bit, so that was quite surprising because Delhi was so hot a few days, like 24th, 25th, it was so hot. It was really surprising to see. एंड देन वी टुक आर कैब जो मेरे हस्बैंड ने मेक माई ट्रिप से बुक किया था. तो वी फाउंड द कैब ओवर देयर एट द स्टेशन एंड वी टुक द कैब एंड देन वी लेफ्ट फॉर मुक्तेश्वर. काठगोदाम से मुक्तेश्वर इज़ 2.5 hours का जर्नी. So guys, we are off to Mukteshwar. We left for Kathgodam from Delhi by Shatabdi Express in the morning. 6:20 AM का ट्रेन था and now we have reached here. अभी हमने एक स्टॉप लिया at this very cute little restaurant called Ekant. It's in Bhimtal Chamfi, whatever we call it, and it's a beautiful location. I mean, where I'm sitting, मेरे सामने ये view है. I mean, अभी दिल्ली की हालत इतनी बुरी है. It's so humid, so hot, and here it's literal paradise. So beautiful. Like this location can be your dream summer home location क्योंकि ये घर के पास है. Just 6 hours drive and it is so amazing. I mean, you can hear the birds singing and the weather is so beautiful. There are clouds and there's so much clarity and cleanliness. Like it's so clean. The air is so clean. Everything is just so organic. It's beautiful. Guys, just look at the view from here. Delicious food is here. Yeah. So here we all enjoyed our first meal in Uttarakhand and we left from here for Mukteshwar. तो यहाँ से मुक्तेश्वर was around 1.5 hours का drive and it was a very pleasant drive. जब अच्छा मौसम रहता है तो आपको थकावट या डिहाइड्रेशन ऑफ कोर्स नहीं होता, इसलिए कुछ पता ही नहीं चला टाइम कब निकल गया. एंड जस्ट लुक एट द सीनिक ब्यूटी. आई मीन क्लाउड्स वेर ऑन द माउंटेन्स and you could see the clouds moving already. And the best part was that the roads were so good. I was so happy with the roads. The roads were not at all scary and there were boundary all around the roads and there were broader roads as compared to other mountain areas. So yeah, I was really impressed with the roads in Uttarakhand all around. And here, so we reached our hotel around 3:34 PM and we were staying at Trishul Orchards Resort in Mukteshwar. It is a nice property. It is a total orchard, so close to nature. And if the clouds are clear, you can also view the Himalayas, complete Kumaon range from there, the Trishul Parvat and Nanda Devi and all. But obviously there were clouds and it was not visible from here at all. And we were so close to nature, like right outside my hotel room. So basically this is a farm stay, this is not a hotel. And right outside the room there was an apple tree, there was nashpati ka tree, and there were so many flowers and everything. I'll give you a complete hotel ka review in my next vlog. तो हम यहाँ पे 4 बजे के अराउंड we reached on day 1. and here I was just enjoying my tea and breathing in the cool air and the clean oxygen. And yes, that's how my first day ended. Iske baad we just rest. We had our dinner around 8:30 and then we all slept, and we're really excited for the next day. So stay tuned for the next vlog. It will be uploaded soon.